In this video, we will show you how to use an Affirm virtual card in store. If you guys want to get started with Affirm, you can use the links down in the description. First, open the Affirm app and navigate to the virtual card section. Then follow the instructions to create your virtual card. You'll receive a virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV code. If the store accepts mobile payments, add your virtual card to a mobile wallet app like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now follow the instructions in the wallet app to add your card. Ensure the store accepts mobile payments or can process virtual cards. Most major retailers and many smaller stores support mobile wallet transactions. If using a mobile wallet, tap your phone or smartwatch on the payment terminal at checkout. If the store does not accept mobile payments, you may need to use a physical card or ask for alternative payment methods. After completing the transaction, confirm that the payment was processed successfully through the Affirm app or your mobile wallet. So that's how to use Affirm virtual card in store. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Affirm. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.